Alright, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in for another video. Man, I'm starting the video off. I'm at the bank, man. I got a late start today. I was supposed to been on the move, man, early this morning, but you know how things go sometimes. I woke up late and all of that, and hey, I'm here, but I'm at the bank, man. I'm about to go get some money out, and we going to Summit today. We're going to Summit, Joe Buddy Racing. It's a busy day, so y'all definitely want to stay tuned in throughout the entire vlog. And I'm gonna catch y'all. Boy, I look like I'm heavy. But I'm gonna catch y'all when I come out the bank. Alright, so I'm out of the bank. We ready to go. Let me see. This is what we got. We about to go to Summit and take care of some more stuff. So, and I don't normally do stuff like this, but I'm showing people this right here. I just took that out because I want to talk to y'all, man. The point of me showing that was not to brag or nothing like that, or to just get views and none of that stuff. I want to show people that because I remember the time I couldn't just go to the bank and, you know, take that type of money out, just straight up. Or I remember time account was in the negative. You know what I'm saying? So if somebody out there in that situation right now, you know, you just keep pushing, especially if it's your dream and something you're passionate about. You just keep pushing. You'll get to that point where you can move like you want to. You know what I'm saying? You can pour into others and all of that. And you know, you just keep it moving, man. I mean, this right here chump change to some people out there, you know, and I'm still pushing for better and to be greater and stuff, but I still remember no time like my account was in the negative and stuff, you know, or I had a $20, $30, you know, just enough gas to get to work and stuff, man, years ago and all of that. But man, you just gotta keep pushing, man. You gotta keep pushing, then you can get to the point where, you know, you can go pull XYZ out or amount out the bank, or you can go take that trip when you want to take the trip, or you know, you can when your folks calling you and they need help, you can be the one to help them and all of that. So, you know, I'm just blessed, man, straight up. And that's why I work so hard, not just for the car stuff. That's why I like it's deeper than this car channel, and I appreciate the people that watch, because they rock with me and not just the cars and stuff I'm doing. You know, it's deeper than that. I'm pouring into people. I help people. You know, put my family on and all of that. It's a lot deeper than just money, man. It's a whole lot deeper than that. But I just want to drop this real talk on there. Y'all know I'm gonna drop real talk on every vlog, and I get it in the beginning because I know some folk attention span short. But I'm at my cousin's house. He about to ride with me to Summit. We're gonna go see Joe Buddy and all of that. And hey, man, I'm about to get some stuff. We're gonna work on the budget build motor and all of that. So stay tuned, man. About to be a lit vlog. All right, y'all. So we at Joe Buddy Racing. They down there tearing the trailer down, boy. They tearing that thing to pieces. We gonna go ahead and holler at Aunt. Got my cousin with me back there. So we finna go holler at Aunt. Finna get him straightened out. I told y'all I need to make some stuff happen. So alright, y'all, so just throwing this in the vlog. Aunt got wifey car in here, general tune-up stuff, new carburetor on it, brand new 2-barrel, kept factory, new distributor cap, wires, all this stuff, oil tank. Did we change the spark plug too? Spark, everything been new. So he got this out the way. He might be dropping something on that. So I know he dropped something this week on that.
Oh yeah, definitely.
And look, I'm gonna do this on camera. That called they be saying you give him special treatment, man. I be paying him, man.
I'm talking about.
I pay my
like you say, pay like you say.
Yeah, I pay my aunt, man.
Yeah, it coming. We might come. We do this. There, y'all see.
I said I need 2 days. That's all I need. I told my uncle I need 2 days. So, hey man, y'all just cut it out, man. Cut it out. Bill got to get paid over here, man. Just cut it out. I just want to throw that in there, Carl. I know people talking about that, even with the truck. But look, to throw y'all out there, I don't normally throw business out there, but I paid my aunt a long time before the truck was finished. Paid him in full and stuff, but I ain't never tripped. Like,
he paid me when we talked about it.
Yeah, soon as we talked about it, I paid him in full for everything. So I just want to throw that out there, and I was like, hey, do your thing. And it was later on till we got to it, cause he got customers. So I don't want y'all to be thinking, hey, he bad bidding, and now he keep his order and all of that. But I told him this week, I ain't gonna tell him, I said, oh, I need 2 days, man. I just need 2 days, man. So we shoot some content, huh? What it? I see that.
That thing been sitting up, man.
I know. Yeah, so we gotta put some gas in there. We put some yeah.
Yeah, we in that tank. We don't want to go through the new cover.
Oh, we gotta pump that clean, and then we're gonna put some 93 in it. So we're gonna do that, and me and my cousin about to head to Summit, and then we're gonna get back on we're gonna get on the motor today. So when I get back, so y'all stay tuned, cause y'all gonna want to see what what I'm picking up for this right here. So I get with y'all. Got my boy over here. Go ahead and drop your YouTube name and all that.
YouTube name is Dirty Works, and real name Lamont C. I got an 81 Mustang and a JBR Racing, trying to get it right. And all thing I say is, man, this summer it's gonna be real for a far street car line.
Yeah, yes indeed, y'all. He got a nice Mustang. I want to get him on the vlog, cause like he'll subscriber, man. He'll support him too. He support everybody, all of us in here. So that's who Mustang over there. Y'all saw in the other vlog. So y'all be looking out for that, man. Got a nice little ride, street car. Drove it all the way down here too, then.
Yeah, all the way from let me see, other side of Atlanta. I ain't gonna say exactly where.
Yeah. No, I can't give him that. We ain't giving him that.
Sticks though, just to get here, but it's here though.
He drove it all the way here for real, man. So I want to show him love. Anytime I catch any of y'all down here, like I'm gonna show love and all that. So we about to get on the move, cause like I said, I got a late start, but we definitely will be back today at Joe Buddy Race. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. Excuse the wind, but we here. We made it. Summit Racing. Y'all see it. Then go in here and get these parts for the box and all of that. So I guess I'll catch y'all in a minute. We get in here, cause I know it's windy. I know that wind blowing all in the mic, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some goodies, man. Then we'll get back to the car. I'll show y'all what I picked up. Then we're gonna get back to the shop, cause we're about to finish the motor up. So I'll catch y'all in a few. All right, so we in here. Show y'all what they got on the. Show y'all what they got on the turntable. They got these. Here got a little import right here today. Old school like bracket car or something. See what they got going on right here. My import guy, I don't know nothing about none of this right here, but I know some of y'all probably know. But yeah, look, Summit, McDonough, Georgia. Got a nice little grill right there. People that never been, so about like not a bad drive either for me. So, God, boy, packed. I was hoping to be in and out, but of here, but it ain't happening. So I'm gonna lighten this up first. Alright. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all, man. I might record what I'm gonna get. Nah, I'm probably gonna wait. I ain't gonna record what I'm gonna get, so I'm just gonna show y'all after I get everything and we get back to the shop. Cause it's cold out there. Y'all gonna have to wait till we get back to Joe Buddy Racing now. I'll show y'all what I pick up. So catch y'all in the few. Alright, y'all, so y'all can see back. And y'all see the sun going down, man. Them Summit trips be taking forever and a day. But let me show y'all what I got. It's a lot of stuff. Yes, indeed. Went in. This this ain't got nothing to do with. Shout out my boy Will and Cody at AutoZone. This for the Denali. This for my white car. So that ain't got nothing to do with nothing. And all this from AutoZone. We use Rotella for break-in oil, so got zinc and stuff in it. People use different stuff, but you know that's what we use. I got the Cometic multi-layer steel head gasket. It's a good head gasket to run using nitrous or a power add and stuff. They make better, but multi-layer steel do the job. And I'm gonna tell y'all, I don't know how much all this stuff costs. I get with you later on all that, cause I just told them what I need, and hey, I got it. But all together, this stuff was $2,300 at Summit or something. It was $2,300 some dollars or something like that. I don't know, but I do the price breakdown. But multi-layer steel head gaskets. We got 2 of them, and I got Edelbrock Torquer 2 intake manifold. The power range from 25 to 6,500. I'm not even gonna turn my motor that hard, and it's not gonna need to. So I got this cause it's a single plane too, and it's you get the low end torque, so it starts from 2,500. You get a single plane or tall single plane, they start most of the time they start making power around 3,000 RPM, and I really don't need that. Well, my cam really starts in that range, but long you start below, you good. So it's gonna be a good power band. This is an X pipe. Running the X pipe, my exhaust 3-inch inlet, and these right here, I get them. I heard y'all in the comments, it made more sense for me to do this cause yeah, you can get one belt stuff cheap. So I'm just gonna run the all billet stuff. So this is the power steering bracket that matches the ones I already have with your billet. Y'all see the Flow Masters, those are Super 44 mufflers. And in this box, what's right there? Look, hold on, let me brighten it up for y'all. Yes sir, y'all see that? Broadax. I caught some heads, Broadax aluminum heads. I give y'all the specs on these. We get in the shop and start throwing stuff on the motor. All this AutoZone miscellaneous stuff, grommets for the valve covers. That's what my wife Monte Carlo, which is actually inside the shop. Y'all saw that earlier, so we need that to put on the battery. It's a side post. That's for the valve covers. You know, little knick-knack, this little stuff add up. Cause I just spent $400 some dollars at AutoZone, but it wasn't, you know, I had to buy a window regulator for my wife, the nightly. So but you got that water neck, and that's for the heater hose, go to the intake. So a little miscellaneous stuff. I got some MSD Street Fighter wires coming too from AutoZone. They went in stock, so they'll be coming tomorrow. Something else. They just heater hose, and you know, another quarter rotator. That's a lower radiator hose, pre-bent. So I got a flex radiator hose coming for the top from AutoZone. We got what else? We got I can't remember. I gotta look at the receipt, man. I ordered a lot of stuff. We got the MSD Street Fighter wires. Like I said, I didn't want to get the superconductors because I don't need that. Just like I'm gonna tell y'all about these heads, the specs on these heads and stuff. You don't need. Sometimes it's not bigger, not always better. What I'm saying. Sometimes it's not needed, man. Bigger is not always better. So something good to know when building an engine or trying to put your combination together. Trust me, I learned a lot. If you want to put a good combination together for an engine, just learn how an engine works. That's all you got to do. You don't have to physically know how to put an engine together, but if you understand how an engine functions, you can still look at the science of it and put a, you know, spec you a motor and bring your parts to someone that can put it together. Learn why the camshaft, how the camshaft works in conjunction with the valves in the heads, and you know how the gas intake lets in gases and in and out, and you know it exits the exhaust system. All of that, you know, it have to be properly sized. So learn how you choose a properly sized carburetor. A lot of folks don't know that. Everybody want to throw a 750 on the car. A 750 is not needed all the time. I don't have a 750. I don't need it. So that plays a big part, man. But waiting on Unc to pull back up, and we about to be in here tonight. So my bad, y'all, it loud. So y'all definitely stay tuned in. This gonna be a kind of long vlog. It ain't over with yet. So we about to put this motor together, and tomorrow, on tomorrow's vlog, we're gonna be messing with the box Chevy again, cause I bought another part for the Camaro, but it wasn't in stock, so it should be here 2 days. So when it gets here, I'll show y'all that, and we're gonna be installing something else on the Camaro too. I told y'all stay tuned in this week. It's going down. It's going down this week. So I'm gonna be back in a minute, and we about to get to work. So I get with y'all in the next clip. All right, so we in the shop, got everything unloaded. Messing with wife's car too. Open up the heads. These are Broadax 1K heads, I think. Like I said, I showed y'all the part number, but I'll show y'all again. That's why we got to hold up on it. It would have been together, but I personally had to change the plans. So this is what we got. Open them up, let y'all see the design of them and stuff. These are, I'm gonna tell you the specs. And like I said, it's based on the cam. I get to all that in a later video. The cam specs, cause I can't remember off the top of my dome. Neither one of us. We'll check the card and all that, but it's a 200cc runner. That's why I like the runner. Bigger, not always better. 200cc runner, 202 160 valves, straight plug head, and yeah, this deal, man. Nice design, D-shaped ports.
Came with guide plates.
Yep, guide plates already installed. These are not CNC. You can buy head CNC ported and polished, but these are not. I mean, I didn't need all that. I'm not trying to seriously perform, but they're gonna make some good power. Definitely gonna save some weight too. They're gonna make some real good power. These are not the track ones, like I said. These more. I mean, you can run track ones on street, but it's more street friendly economy head. They like $1,000. I mean, they're a little bit more with tax. But yeah, that's what we got going on here. Should make good, decent power. So, and we got the Torque 2 manifold. We'll show y'all that when we get to that point, get it open. But yeah, that's it. I'm liking them. They're very light, as y'all can see. So
Yeah, they're very light.
they real light. So check back in with y'all in a minute. Might be firing this thing up soon. So just stay tuned. All right, y'all. Look, we doing a little mock-up. I don't want y'all to think I clickbait y'all with that thumbnail, but it ain't. The stuff not bolted down, man. It's real cold tonight, so we're gonna wrap up tonight. But this the intake we got out the box. Like I said, it's a Torque 2. It's not an air gap, but it's a single plane. Y'all can see the inside and all that. It ain't porting and polished and stuff, but you can port and polish the intake too and all that. But yeah, that's it, man. This gonna be a clean little piece, man. This gonna be a nice little 360. It should run good too. And we're gonna put that on there. Try to give y'all a good thumbnail, but we're gonna button everything up tomorrow. And gonna roll. That's all. He was waiting on me. I told him, I called it right in time, cause he'll be rolling. I said, look, hold on, wait. We're gonna get these heads. We might well do it up, but it's still budget. It's still budget oriented. Cause I didn't get the track ones. I mean, heads can get to $2,500, $2,700. Intakes can get from $380 up to $500. So it's still budget oriented. You know what I'm saying? The heads, $1,000 valve covers off of Amazon. I gave y'all the link in another video. Then we reused a lot of stuff. So, but it's it, man. It's gonna look real good. We got new headers in there. It's gonna look good, and it's gonna clean the engine bay and all that. So y'all definitely stay tuned in. And I guess they're gonna be it for the videos. Y'all stay tuned. I showed y'all all the parts, and y'all definitely gonna want to check out my aunt channel tomorrow, cause I think he gonna turn that one right there up. So y'all gonna want to see that. But